this ain't no dream.
I said, heads ain't paid. No, they're not. No, they're not. I said, heads ain't paid. No, they're not. No, they're not. I said, heads ain't paid. No, they're not. No, they're not. I said, heads ain't paid. No, they're not. No, they're not.
Heads ain't ready for the shit we got. Roll up like Sling C4 the spot. My camp's a legends, but yours is not. Go down in history like the Argonauts. I feel bad for those who try to fight us. Never back down, just like Leonidas. Sick rhymes and trees are what unite us. Run plays and touchdown, just like Johnny Unitas. The kid be sick, you know, slick with the wordplay. Always on point from Friday to Thursday. Pop up out of nowhere like the commercial for Yoo-Hoo. The nest I flew over was filled with cuckoos. I reiterate my point, cause your heads ain't ready. Little sharp, just like the glove of Freddy. That's it for my 16, beware of my 16. Cause this is real life, unlike what you see on the big screen.
Heads ain't paid.
No such thing as love without the word trust. To gain that loyalty, honesty is a must. And unspoken words become your second nature. And then only when you're playing, you're saying I hate ya. We're here together 50-50, we're a team. And the sport is to support the thought of exchanging rings. One day, like on a Sunday, and the day is Sunday. You and I walking down the runway. Keep this alive, or that will die. And
there's no you and I. You and I. There's no you and I. There's no you and I. There's no you and I. Do do do. Bum bum. Da da da. Bum bum. Do do do. There's no you and I. There's no you and I. On my I had the bitch suck in my fucking You know this hoe wouldn't let go my balls, she would hog, she fell in love with my
I step on the scene, holding something mean. I stay close to my gun, son, like crack to a fiend. Within a quick flash, watch my gun blast like a lit match to gasoline. You better duck fast or cats on right through your bus pass. Don't make me pull it and leave a bullet for your mustache. I'm all about quick cash and cars that go quick fast. I can't be caught, I'm too fast. I leave you burning calories like Slim Fast. You will never know unless you were rocking my shoes. How I keep the place packed like a box of cools. Always holding to the day of death when I breathe my last breath and there's nothing left. Now that's almost death. I hold tight with the right and squeeze with the left with mine. I stepped on the scene holding mine. Extra magazines for mine. You better run when I got mine.
smoking like a chimney, smoking like a chimney. I said I'm smoking like a chimney. I said I'm smoking like a chimney. Smoking like a chimney, smoking like a chimney. I said I'm smoking like a chimney. I said I'm smoking like a chimney. Well, alright, let's burn another log. Well, okay, let's burn another log. The doctor said I'm gonna need prayers from the Pope. How much I smoke? He said, boy, one day you will choke. I looked at him and said, Doc, I love to smoke. He said, did you listen to the all right now. Okay now. All right. How you ballin', but the ball will flash. Should've locked your pockets behind the match. Bigger bank accounts, I'm all about. See my bank account, swing your mouth on the shout. I'm head just like ouch. Wanna fill my house, sitting on my couch, kinda stacks with toys. Lay back, relax with a sack of joy. Ever since I was a little boy, I've been in love with Chips Ahoy. And I kept on getting more. Cause with a rep way, seasick, frugal flows. And you know what I'm showing up for the glove. Call me a donut, going up for dough. See, all day I'm living cause I'm getting.
Good $1 billion.
I've been getting it.
Good $1 billion.
We just spend like a chip of it.
Good $1
I go wait and play with. With the night and day I stay with. Honey's get naked and shake it. She wanna get turned down when you drop a blast. Can stop her mouth from saying,
I want that.
Good $1 billion, that's what you want, girl?
Oh, daddy, can I have that?
Good $1 billion, that's what you want, girl?
Oh, how I want it bad.
Good $1 billion, that's what you want, girl?
Don't let me get my hands on
I
that.
won't.
Don't let me get my hands on
Oh.
that.
I don't spit no game, I plug it. Chicks spit my name and touch it. See my fool without a budget. See my jewels and you love it. When I cruise, you see the dubs. They big step, yo, steady bumping kid. So clear, yo, SB dumping kid. So out the doors, how I hot to any show on my hitting my flows to the top. We not soft doctor. So when we on tour, George just shot. I'm watching over store in the state of from underground to your block. My thunder sound can't be stopped. So let it pound, let it pop. People right out they socks.
Like, oh shit,
You better lace up
yo kicks.
my rhymes every line that I kick. It's such a trip. Well, please don't slip and fall. I take them trips and
ball.
a lot of splips
And alcohol.
with the hottest chicks.
Dropping draws.
So many chips.
Like I got it all.
When your bank ain't standing tall, don't feel ashamed my name they call.
Shit. Fall some more. Good $1 billion. Without a doubt, days in, days out. I get no sleep and it'll go on for weeks. That'll turn into months and next is years. So I stay with blunts and a handful of beers. And beats that bump that'll have you like, yeah. And while I'm sitting there, I might glance at the bed, wondering what it is to rest my head. And I get restless and I fiend for a dream or a nightmare with a horrible scene. And it doesn't matter as long as these eyes are shut. Until then, I'm like, what the fuck? Because
I get no sleep.
it's an ongoing fight when insomnia tries to attack my life. And I just sit and write, relax on tracks and try to close my eyes, but
I get no sleep. No matter how I try, I get no sleep. I'm going out of my mind. 'Cause there's no sleep. It's so hard to live my life. When there's no sleep.
coming home from work, pizza stains on my shirt. It's time to wash these germs, these worms be talking dirt. Quick, fast, I dash and walk.
If I die today, what will they say? Will they say fuck him and spit on my grave? If I die today, what will they say? Will they say fuck him and spit on my grave?
Will I go to heaven or will I burn? Who will put my ashes all up in the urn?
If I die today, what will they say? Will they say fuck him and spit on my grave? If I die today,
How would you react? Would you be like, oh snap, oh snap? Would you grab your chest like a heart attack? Will you feel some stress? Cause that's where your heart was at. Feeling lifeless. Like your heart can collapse. No one now, you won't ever again see my smile. No more sharing jokes, laughing out loud. Sharing smoke amongst the crowd. I'll be 6 feet below, buried in the ground. Psst, how that sound? Psst, how that sound? Fuck that, get a sack, get your eyes red. Sit back for the facts so you're not misled. No more guessing to the questions that'll play all day inside your head.
if I die today, what will they say? Will they say fuck him and spit on my grave? If I die today, what will they say? Will they say fuck him and spit on my grave?
Will I go to heaven or will I burn? Who will put my ashes all up in the urn?
If I die today, what will they say? Will they say fuck him and spit on my grave? If I die today.
Here are liability contents at my bedside, family having a conference.
What do we gotta be standing outside all day in a cold for?
Gotta show the flag.
You
You can't break me.
What else?
You can't shake
Why's
me.
that?
Don't cut the lawns for no one to snake me. We on lock, kid. Tell your block, kid. We getting heavy, ain't no levy that can
Why
stop
is
this.
that?
This is flood rap, element flood mask. We spit a large Coast Guard, we'd even tell you that.
Again,
This is flood rap, element flood mask. We spit a large Coast Guard, we'd even tell you
It's
that.
the kid with the wittiest flow. Puff Fitty's a draw, a landmine, and I'm ready to blow. I pity you, fool. You can call me Mr. T. I chill with Sly, and of course mystery. It's no mystery that my team's supreme. We gleam like high beams, we clean like hygiene. Chicks get me smart if you know what I mean. And if you don't, then you must need practice. Cause the fact is that your ass is backwards. Get pushed back like two of the same magnets. My flow's attractive, my words do backflips, and I'm obsessed with cake. Just like fat kids. I eat crews like lunchtime KO dudes with punchlines. And you can't break me cause I'm a landmine. Get it on with crunch time. Now you can't touch mine. And you can't break me cause I'm a landmine.
You can't break
What
me.
else?
You can't shake
Why's
me.
that?
Don't cut the lawns for no one to snake me. We on lock, kid. Tell your block, kid. We getting heavy. Little man, little man, little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. At first, it was like a riddle, man. At birth, I was so little, man. I remember the nurse who smirked and waved and gave my mom a pillow, man. For the worst, being born with a curse that hurts. Cause I never heard the hand of her holding me all up in her arms. My life was missing her giving motherly charm. If I were alarmed in my moment of fear, it would be bliss. So I wish she would appear. Help a little man understand what seems so clear. But I never seen her, so I stop and stare at who might be her. My eyes be everywhere, oh I wonder if I meet her, how would I greet her? No matter what the fuck, I would never leave her. Little man, little man, little man. Yeah. 1, 2. This is Bob behind the music. It's not no true Hollywood, but true life story.
Story starts with big top the charts. We were dogs, boys for life. You see, marry my seed. That's how we keep landmines all in the family. For real, see, you're like a brother to me. That's why it always bothered me how your pops didn't even treat you like family. But fuck it, black, we can't rewrite history. Even though it's such a mystery, how you could disappear for a year. I watched you drop way more than one tear when your pops cut your gear. So we stole his beer, let his stereo blare. Sat in his favorite chair when he wasn't there. But I was just a dude outside looking in, not realizing how much trouble you was really in. Damn, son.
Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. You see, it started out when I was only 12, fighting with my pops. I can remember his yells. He said, listen up, you're not my son. I should've listened to my dad and left you for adoption. He said his heart don't pump the same blood and that he hated me. My pops I used to love. My friends thought you was a cop. The way you kept me on lock like you were Fidel Castro. Oh, you're not. See, my pops couldn't stop being such a fucking asshole. What was the lesson you were stressing when you had to cut up all my clothes, all my hoodies, my good shirts, and that wasn't it? Cause you were mad and you were bad and you had to clip up my kicks. So nowadays I don't play, I'm outraged when I flip. And this is not a phase, motherfucker, I'm sick. So every fucking day I need a fucking hit. Either I'm writing it or lighting it. Motherfucker, you ignited the kid. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. Little man, this little man didn't understand at first where he stands. I don't hate you or have any regrets. I'm a man now, and I thank you for guiding my steps. Now my troop in and out the booth. Look, Dad, I've never been to rehab for drug misuse. The kid is doing okay with goals to do well. So it's like I had to move away and set
Always keep 'em on the run when I got my gun. Always got my gun. Nickel plate is shining in the sun. Pull it out for fun. Extra clips in case I gotta buck something down. Duck when you hear the sound. Hit the ground. I don't look around when I let off a round. It's a feast when I'm cooking beef. You should see me homebound, and it can go down. Where I'm from, cats think they can't. Cats wanna stay in the zone. Stay with my chrome, so I'm never alone.
So let it be known, good grief to the man that served that beef. Like I won't take a piece, have it looking like a chunk. Nigga, what you want? I'm far from a punk, but not that far from the pump that I have your heart on jump. I just got a parts of my tongue, so imagine how much splash you with a gun for real. I put a chill to the hot sun, cause I'm hot son without an option. I'll pop one, and it don't pay my bills, so I keep it concealed. But it's kill or be killed, so guard your grill. I'm not hard with the still, but it's hard for me to kneel to another, not his brother. Cause if I have to, then I'd rather see you splatter like it don't matter. So I'll pop these corns like popcorn, don't get popped on from my blast and got them asking whose pop's going. I write hits and you could get a pop song. I remix the shit into your spots like socks torn. Fuck being one buck, you struck, adios, be gone, mighty gone. These niggas be acting like Gandhi, cause when the beef be sound, they don't want none. These niggas be acting like Gandhi, cause when the beef be sound, they be frontin' about something. Nigga, why you acting like Gandhi? Get around me. I was downtown getting loose, up there in the queues with Jill and a dude. I flipped the bill for the brew, just about to die when we just... When I'm up in the morning, yawning early, getting dirty. When I breeze to the evening, y'all seeing me staying dirty. With a bright moonlight at night, oh my, how I been so dirty. When I'm up in the morning, yawning early, getting dirty. I was born 2 months before my time. I was born in 1979, August 16th in the summertime. 0816 Leo defines my soul that glows across the globe with a flow that flows like water for a boat. Straight slaughter without the chance of hope. So don't fuck with me, you're better off doing dope. Just fucks with me if you about your dough, cause I know I'm SIC, and where I'm at, haters wanna be. And where is that on TOP? I was tired of my pockets being popped. I was like, this right here has got to stop. So with this right here, I move stock with my blood, sweat, and tears of a beast that knock. When I'm up in the morning, yawning early, getting dirty. When I breeze to the evening, y'all seeing me staying dirty. With a bright moonlight at night, oh my, how I been so dirty.
I be up with the sun, take a morning run, hit the deli for a coffee and a Cinnabon. I'm about to roam on the phone with my hun.
The lead and come fuck with me. You know who it is, it's your boy C.
Tell 'em who it
C
is.
sick, that water boy, and flow so wet like a water toy. Won't watch the steps every quarters, boy. Spinning on the kiddos, bitch, that water noise. C sick, that water boy. See how I do with the fluid noise. Stacking them chips, making chunks of hoy. Dipping in the whip like damn, old boy.
Custom made on candy paint. I keep this women, they ready to faint.
I'm big pimpin' on 28. The way I'm living, you would think I ain't. I'm gear shifting around the world just to take a day, y'all. See me and my niggas at the play, y'all. We front roasting and starting chaos. We can't receive winners, but they lost. I'm more feeding than a gram of steak sauce. Waitress, can I get a face cloth so I can wipe my fingers and face off? She checking out the kid, seeing how he live. How the boy just had steak and ribs. How the boy just had chicken and shrimp. She ain't never seen a boy eat like this. Him scrape the dish, I'll eat you too. I had to admit, come shit my boots. She sat down quick, Sipping on my juice, getting loose out of outfit. Oh shit, you know why it is. Oh shit, tell them who it is. Oh shit, now you can't forget it. Seasick, that water boy. Flow so wet like a water toy. Whoa, watch the steps every quarters, boy. Spinning on the kiddos, cause I want. Now they go off on fire to play. Hey, yo, let me get this microphone.
Everybody put your drinks in the air.
And that's what we did. Cheers to the life that we live. Pound that drink, don't take a sip. Look around, I'm next for this here split. If you get a whiff, you better follow that smell. No bulls, 2 bulls, inhale, exhale. Let me get back to this bar. You can find me in the back of the bar by mobsters. Up close, we look like monsters. My game is so damn ugly. Somehow these chicks wanna fuck me. I'm like, wow, they can't get enough of me. Sailing style, it's something like luxury. A little while, shoes start touching me, slow it down. Let's take it to the flow. I put it on you, girl, until you hit the flow. Now I don't want you, girl, you gonna want some more from kinda show. Sunrise and Goki, ain't no spot, no nigga don't know me. I see Roxy, sick of Corey. I'm nauseous over melodies. Bartender, I surrender my car keys. Cause I buy drink, but I don't drive. Now that's a damn lie. Behind the wheel, for real, I do fly. Slow it down when the cruisers cruise by. I feel stressed when they're inside. I do my best not to catch their eyes. Saturday night, who's back again? Bartender, let me get a hind again. Haters get lost like hell again. I'm on top like a dinner for the share in it. Looking down on clowns. Yeah. I was just a young buck, pressing my luck, and the one lane like a bird brain, passing trucks with the volume up, doing 60 plus a buck, sipping on whiskey in a plastic cup. If you were with me, you'd be like, what the fuck? My gears are too shifty, I make you lose your lunch. My punchlines were on time, so my rhymes stayed drilling. I was killing people's minds for the feeling of being signed. Although I wasn't, I was building a fame, cause my name was buzzing. We're the fam like fams, saying we was cousin. We're the fatty, had me never looking trashy. So fresh and clean, my jeans stay baggy. Life's a test, I didn't stress and smoked out baggies and got nice. And I prayed to Christ and I played with them dice. I love chicken wings over beans and rice. I stay getting into things like pulling off a heist. And the day got cool, I thought there goes my life. Damn. Remember them days. 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 Remember them days.
Sir, we started a game we never got to finish. Play for blood, remember?
I was just fooling about.
I wasn't.
Fuck a fork, I eat like a dog and dog food. Slop it together, have it look like dog food. What a torrance.
Like dog food, dog. I'll dog you, dog. And just like dog food to a dog. That's how I dog you, dog.
It's a dog day afternoon, a dog eat dog world. But dog don't dog me or I'll dog your girl. Like a dog I sniff out, below when the clip's out. Please don't tell me I need to explain what I spit out. I can't be trained, you can't break my routine. Try to take away my food, watch this dog at me. My bark ain't none when you compare it to my bite. Bit the hand that feeds me, just out of spite. You can call me spiked, I mean it's dog in the yard. I'm rocking dog tags and my face is scarred. I eat all my food right down to the bone. Take the baddest bitch on my block back to my home. Show my dog collar all laced in chrome. I got her so gas, I'm out started to foam. Thought she had rabies, now she wants my babies. But she's a tramp, only deal with ladies. Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm so, that's tragic, man.
Like dog food, dog. I'll dog you, dog. And just like dog food to a dog. That's how I dog you, dog.
The number one caddy in
list that you miss. No more hugs or a kiss, no charms wrapped around your wrist. We need a trust and a bond to conquer this. We are level respect. Now it's a loss in the dick. It's over with. I need a beer before I flip. I'm over there if you need a stare at, bitch. I don't believe this bitch. Can you believe this bitch? Nigga, should I leave this bitch? How the fuck she such a bitch? I don't believe this bitch. Can you believe this bitch? Nigga, should I leave this bitch? How the fuck she such a
Bitch, you need a fallback. She always talk about how come I never call back. Maybe cause it's the way she act. You see, 6, she wasn't always whack.
Put me on to that.
When I first met her, almost had a heart attack. 3 years has passed, how I've been so gassed. What really caught my eye was her thighs and ass. I can't deny shorty fly with class, but I had to let this bitch pass. And the bird got the nerve to ask for cash. Told this bitch to break out like a rash. I left the face looking like a photo flash.
I don't believe this bitch. Can you believe this bitch? Nigga, should I leave this bitch? How the fuck she such a bitch?
I'm a grown-ass man with no time for girls. I need a woman in my life to share a slice of my world. Mommy Amore, the one I adore, has to be mature right from the door. So seductive, but not a one.
Brought the hate right from the door, cause you knew he would hate everything he saw. With a crew that paints horror scenes, rigor more galore. At first he walked around with a sword. Next thing you know, he got a chrome 4-4. He's mean for the dough and his war getting more. But I hope that it appeals to him to make a deal or Thames will be scuffed on the side of your grills or ends. Have the meat or get wrapped in a sheet, packed in the back in a sack of a meat truck sewn up. The sight will make your minds throw up. Don't like this walking bomb, cause you know what? When he rolls up before he blows up, it's easy to see that he's about to go nuts. He'll make sure your whole world self-destructs. And an instinct, you would think everything would melt to his touch. So say pray for luck, hoping to get that angel touch. I say pray to get bucked, because the torture will cause you with a life living and fucked.
Cause he hates, and his hate causes hate, and that creates a will with hate, and it dominates enough to quake this world we make our home.
We put the heat right to your jaw and raise the side of your face all over the floor. Outsiders will take.
This right here we can't ignore. When it rains, it will pour. When plans fail, it starts to hail. One more wrong move, you will have to bail. So keep moving like a bag of mail. When plan B comes to play, inhale, exhale. This is so real, you can feel like Braille. You don't wanna get caught assed out like you passed out on the third rail. For real, just don't spaz out for a fast route. That's all about sending you to hell. Set sail, ships ahoy. Keep afloat and stay on the move, and you will never lose. Keep your controls on cruise. Keep a plan B in case A might lose.
Can't stop this thought process, it comes naturally. I always know another thing, possibilities. Plan B, have one if A starts to fail, cause without one, there's no way you can excel. Can't stop this thought process, it comes naturally. I always know another thing, possibilities. Plan B, have one if A starts to fail, cause without one, there's no way you can excel.
Don't make it in rapping, got the camera screaming action without backing, and it's a plan that you lacking without action. Only leads to hesitation. My My destination goes way beyond having patience. My infatuation with money got me seeing better days, smoking better haze, seeing six spit tidal waves. Always got a plan B in case the first one fails. It's time for the flow, watch best set your sails. And I'ma keep it real as it can be. If first you don't succeed, then have a plan B. Imagine, if you will, the world without trouble. Never learn from your mistakes, like you trapped in a bubble. I'd rather fail than get up, than have my life set up. That way when I make it, it's me I'm congratulating. So no more waiting, cause the time is now. You're gonna choose your own path and just let it play out.
Can't stop this thought process, it comes naturally. I always know I never think possibilities. Plan B, have one if A starts to fail, cause without one, there's no way you can excel. Can't stop this thought process, it comes naturally. I always know I never think possibilities. Shit, what the shit? What the shit? What the You thought I would let you fly. That's what the fuck you thought? Right there and from. You thought I would let you fly. Nope, right there and from. That's what the fuck you thought? You thought I would let you fly. Right there and from. You thought I would let you fly. That's what the fuck you thought? Right there and from. Fuck that. The wing clip on it. 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 I'll clip your wing. Call me the bird killer or TBK. You find a mess of feathers all around my way. Fucking with the third letter, who's sick all day. I be leaking out your sweater, crawling down the hallway. Call me the bird killer.
You tell him I'm coming, and hell's coming with me, you hear? Hell's coming with me!
There's nothing that he can't do.
Say what?
There's nothing that he can't do.
Say word.
What he's done for me, he'll do for you. Just open your eyes and you'll see him too. There's nothing that he can't do.
Say what?
Nothing that he can't do.
Say word.
Don't act like you're bored, cause I spit for the Lord. Need to jump aboard and stay afloat. His love is warm like a coat. Have you ever read the 10 Commandments that he wrote? Let me quote: thou shalt not kill or steal, even though God gave free will. I wanna thank the Lord for the Holy Ghost, cause every time I pray, I feel the host. Now my life just goes in the right direction, and I'm not stepping off the path that he's been leading. Lord, you didn't bring me this far just to be leaving. You strengthen my faith, so I'll be forever believing. What he's done for me, he'll do for you. Just open your eyes and you'll see him too. There's nothing that he can't do.
Say what?
There's nothing that he can't do.
Say word. I ain't tryna sell you nothing. I'm just tryna tell you something. I ain't tryna sell you nothing. I'm just trying to tell you something. I ain't trying to sell you nothing. I'm just trying to tell you something. Thank you, Lord, for this high sensations. Man, blessed with life so coarse. I'm celebrating so all day, every day. It's a celebration. Yeah, other plans bigger than graduation. Congratulating, it's all I hear. I'm just happy to be alive. I survived this many years and I never feared death. When the devil tried to test, I mean it, so believe it. It was Jesus guiding my steps. He was riding, so I rap, co-signing to the depths. So I'm blind, can't see they're blessed right there inside your chest. You don't know, you breathe this every breath, and he won't leave when others have left. You need to see these words that I stress. Believe in this man who stands while you rest, and while you snore, he's making sure this road explores to us open doors. Keep him close to the demons that'll lurk around the corner, and the heathens that'll roll up on you. They'll come in with a smile and leave you with a frown, but I'll hold hold your ground before this road is upside down, 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 upside down.